Hi guys, if you always wanted to know how to create the passive income, you find the right place. Be my guest and welcome on my channel. I will show you how to get investment opportunities in the internet. I have a great platform. I have a great suggestion for you. You can get started for free right now in this second. The link you can find below this video, and all you need to make is to write down your email, create a password, and you will be on the platform. Now, this is great platform that I'm using all the time because I tried a lot of platforms and wanted to show you how to invest in stock market because this is absolutely great. All right, I want to show you first my results. My portfolio, here we go. I have a little bit investment right here. So right now I've made almost 15,000 literally, and in couple weeks I believe that I will have 30,000 according to the price growing on these assets, on these shares, these companies, well known and great, absolutely comfortable companies. So let's start. What you should do first, you need to pass the registration. I told about it right now. So the point is, what is stock market? What is it? If you're the first time interested in this issue, I will explain it. So the stock market is a tool, first of all, is a tool to get money. You need to invest, of course. Investment is a risky stuff. No, it's a risky, but of course you can get money from it. There's 3 ways to trade on a stock market with the shares of well-known companies. The first one is daily trading, but I'm not using it. I'm using the 2 else methods. The second one is swing trading. So you need to find the company that is on the bottom, for example, on the bottom of a price. Let's see what's happening on the market. Amazon, for example. If you scroll out a little bit on the platform, you can see that in general, the Amazon company is growing right now. It's growing, and nevertheless, of this small price movements down, the company is growing. And there's a lot of companies on the list right here, and you can be the part of any of them. You can buy the company that is on the bottom. When I'm saying that you can buy a company, this is absolutely correct information. Of course, you cannot buy Google itself and only you, right? But you buy the shares of this company, and literally you are the part of a company. You are the owner of a company. The small one, but the owner. There's a lot of well-known companies that gives you dividends if you hold their shares for a long time, for a year, for example. If you don't have such time, if you don't want to hold and freeze your money for a year, for example, you can trade on month, for example, or weeks. Let's see, Snapchat company, for example. Right now, Snapchat felt good right here and right here, and you can see that, for example, I don't know, in couple weeks it's gonna be right here. All right. So the best way is to buy this shares of this company right here in this spot, but this spot is also not so bad. I will buy, for example, for $4,000 multiplier 10, and press buy. 24/7 you have this opportunity. So as this asset will be open in 6 hours, but on the moment when this asset will be open, I will buy shares of Snapchat company, and I will be the small part of this Snapchat company. In couple weeks, when I will get my profit, I can sell this shares, and that's it. That's absolutely easy. To find a company that grows, you have plenty information in the internet. You can just Google it, search, and just get more information. If you want to know more, you can stay on my channel. You can subscribe to my channel. Kindly asking you to do that. And if you want to know more information, watch my next videos. Here in this video, I showed you the small example how you can be the part of big, well-known international company and get money on it. Right now, I have $15,000 plus. I got it on Facebook, Shares, Canopy Growth, Siemens, Royal Bank, Slack, Apple company, Netflix company, and Tesla. You know all these companies. You absolutely know all these companies. It's well known all over the world, and the point is to find a company that's growing, invest in this company, buy shares of this company, and to hold it a little time. I don't suggest you to trade daily, but it's also available. Such opportunity is also available. Don't forget to pass the absolutely free registration on this platform. This IQ option is absolutely great, and you can start absolutely with no fee, absolutely free, anytime you want. So be my guest. All the useful links under this video. Have a great day. Bye.